I saw a picture yesterday in some newspaper about Lumia 928. What kind of phone is that?
I don't know because we haven't announced the
You
Lumia
know.
928.
Of course you know. When are you announcing that?
So one thing that I'm pleased to say is today, on Thursday,
Answer the question.
as
When
this show
are you
airs,
when are you
well, I'm making an announcement right here today on your show because we're introducing the Lumia 620 in Finland. It's coming to Finland. It's a beautiful device that is making its appearance in Finland for the first time as this show airs.
Okay.
But as for future products,
928, when is it coming out?
I'll say a couple things about future products.
I can do one thing. I have an iPhone.
Oh, how embarrassing!
I don't want to have an iPhone. I want to.
Look, I can take care of that for you right here. There you go.
I want to have a Nokia phone.
It's gone.
I want to have a Nokia phone because I believe in you and I believe in Nokia.
Yes.
But I want to have that Lumia 928. When do I get it?
So let me tell you what we're doing in the future.
But tell me before that. When do you...
I will not. Sorry, can't answer those questions. But what I can say.
But you won't change that to a Nokia phone.
Oh, I will change it to a Nokia phone. Don't worry.
Good.